Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins. My favorite place to check is the wall first. Looks pretty empty though. Lots of empty bins. Maybe they'll change these out while I'm here today. Look at all these figurines up here. Tons of them. I see a glossy white piece. Oh, it's a donkey, probably from a nativity set, but it is missing an ear. What is this? Oh my gosh. I think it's like a little hand candle holder. I don't know, but it's adorable. I'm gonna get it. Here's a picture frame. I really like this wood frame and the size. It's a little bit different. I don't know what I need it for, but I think I'm gonna get it and just put it in my frame stash. Here is a giant Mickey and Minnie. I bet these were expensive brand new. They're actually in really good shape. I wish I knew somebody that would need these. Lots and lots of chairs here. They're not in the best shape, but they are very inexpensive. This one's $7. This one's $4. A little table back there. Here's a filing cabinet. It is $15. Somebody got a cart full of stuff, a vase, some florals, a shower curtain. Ooh, Ryan would have loved this art for her room. That is so pretty. I missed out on all that. They've been having lots of rugs here. I should look at these though, because I could put them in the shop. It really helps with the sound to have lots of textures in there. Oh, stop. Wait, hold on. I gotta open this one up. This one might be perfect. Before I open it up and look at it, this is the brand 8x10 linen color Dallin Rug Company. I really like this rug. However, it has a smell, and I don't know if y'all could see that stain right there, but I'm worried it's a pet stain, so I'm gonna leave it here. But that's unfortunate because this would have been so perfect to put in my office. There's a bunch of lamps. This one is really cool. It's wood. That is awesome. I don't know if it works, and you'd have to get like a special light for it. Maybe I'll go plug it in and try it out. This plug is a little scary. Okay. Nothing's happening with it. It's really cool, but I think I'm gonna leave it here and hopefully somebody else will rescue it. I have some bigger lamps here. This looks like a chandelier. I am looking for a lamp for Ryan's room, and I looked at that one, but it's wobbly. I just need, it doesn't matter what color it is because I can paint it gold, but something like this. See how it comes down? So I'm gonna be on the lookout. I'll find something. They have lamps here all the time. Somebody told me yesterday they had a whole bin or bins of these velvet coat hangers. I love this little raw hem gray sweatshirt, size small, Royce. I'm not familiar with that brand, but it feels really good. I think I'm gonna grab this for myself. We have some dishes here. I don't know what this is. That's cute. It's all broken though. Ooh, this is a really nice wooden cross. I wonder what wood this is made out of. Cowboy boots. Look, they actually got a matching pair. Oh my gosh. Is this not the cutest little basket you've ever seen? You definitely need that. What is this? Is this a picture frame? That is adorable. I love this. What else is in here? Little figurine. Oh man, I actually need one of these, but it's missing the part. It's for paper towels. I need one of those. All right, grab these 3 things. Oh, I think these are some pickleball paddles. We've been playing lots of pickleball lately. Oh, look at these. They're new, but we can age them and stick them in some vignettes. I'm gonna get the whole bag. So many shoes in these bins. tons of shoes. And they've been bringing out the newer, bigger bins, but it's been full of clothes and shoes. No home goods. And the other side, they didn't even change out. It's still, y'all saw all those empty bins, and what was in there was from yesterday. Look, it's a slingshot. I'm not bringing that home. I did grab a few things for the kids. These little water guns right here, and the little badminton thingies, and a birdie. We had some of these and Waylon broke them. So I'm gonna get some more. The kids like to play with those. I ain't seeing nothing in these. Shoes, stuffed animals, or almost empty bins. They just brought out a new bin and I found a few things. I got some ribbon. I got these brick-tanicles for the boys. I'm gonna see if they want to put them together. I got these two frames. I thought they looked really pretty together, so I'm gonna sell them as a set. This one almost looks like a little baby deer pattern. They are so pretty. And I got this little faceless baby doll right here. I found one of these before and I was told that it was an Amish baby doll if it didn't have a face, but look at the dress. That's the main reason I'm getting it. It is wearing this beautiful handmade dress. Actually, I think it goes this way, not that way. That's the back. And I also got some white little gift bags because Ren just loves giving presents. If somebody's coming to our house, if we're going to meet somebody, she's making them a present. So I figured she could have these and then she could decorate them since they're plain white. Oh, and some fell down here. I got these two. These are probably from the Dollar Tree or something, but they're little Christmas trees. So I thought I might need them, you know, to put somewhere, and I can paint them whatever color I want, or put some antiquing glaze on them, the Dixie Belle antiquing glaze, and just make them look old and wooden. Looks like there might be some Christmas stuff in here. Nope. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Is this a jellyfish paperweight? I don't know, but I feel like all of my kids will like this, so I'm gonna get it. Here's a cute little fall dress in Ren's size, but if she doesn't like it, I can always use it to make pumpkins. They just brought out some new bins, but it's all plastic stuff. They have some Christmas items. They have these big Christmas ornaments that I'm thinking about getting because I can paint them whatever color I want to go with my decor. They just brought out a new bin and look what I found. I'm so proud of myself. I actually knew what this was. What is this? Somebody must have put this back. Oh my gosh, it is heavy. Hand carved little tray. I don't know if I love the orange color, but definitely got to get this, right? All right, I think that's going to be it for today's thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins. I feel like I didn't find a lot, but at the same time, my cart is full. Just picked up this cool tray. I got this stuff for my kids. Got the fairy light. We ended up with quite a few picture frames. I got 4 picture frames. This, my kids will definitely be fighting over who gets this really cool piece. Do y'all think that it is a paperweight or just something decorative? Got a few pieces of clothing, this adorable little basket here, so I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent on all of this stuff, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.